Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been having a lot of fun doing these different videos of like close-ups of some of the different things like the Godzilla Kaiju and some of our dinosaurs. So I'm going to continue with that, and I want to show you guys how to draw the face of the Indoraptor. Now, to start off with the Indoraptor, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right about here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. And then I'm going to make another one that's going to kind of curve up. Then right in the middle, I'm just going to add a little kind of slit, kind of like a snake eye. Then you want to put a little line above it and then a little line below it just to kind of show some texture and wrinkles. And then I'm going to add another one as well. I'm going to kind of make them meet in the middle. I'm going to add a little line that just kind of goes right to the eye. And then starting here, I'm going to put kind of like a little bit of a broken line that kind of runs around the eye. And then up here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then it's going to kind of curve down like this for like the little eye ridge. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves up, and then it's just going to go down like this. And then I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's just going to kind of come down. Then right here I'm just going to draw a line, and I'm going to make it a little bit kind of bumpy at times, and I'm going to kind of go up and down. And then I'm just going to kind of curve this up and bring it way back here past the eye. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. And then I'm going to just kind of make it a little bit bumpy and go right to there. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes down. And then I'm going to kind of curve it up, down, and then I'm going to bring it right back up here for the jaw. Now, starting back here, the Indoraptor has these kind of like big scaly patterns that go down. So I'm going to start right here by the eye, and I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and then I'm going to kind of curve it back like this. And then I'm going to kind of continue this. I'm just going to kind of curve and come back, curve and come back. And then I'm just going to kind of do this the whole way, and I'm just going to slowly kind of angle this down just to kind of form the back of the head and the neck. Then right here by the jaw, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go over, and then it's just going to kind of slope down to here. Now, let's work on some details. So let's start with the mouth. So first I'm going to kind of put this little curved line right here just to kind of show where the skin is. And then I'm going to add a couple little kind of curved angled lines right here, and then one or two right there. Then, starting right here, I'm going to add another little kind of curved line. And then I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves up and down here. I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of goes down, and I'm just going to kind of curve it back for the nostril. And then a little line that just kind of curves around here. Now, the teeth are kind of all over the place in here. So I'm going to start right here at the end, and I'm just going to make a couple small ones. So I'll put like one there and then one right here, maybe a little bit bigger. And then there's quite a bit of space. This next one's going to be pretty long. It's going to kind of curve back and come up like this. And then they get kind of crazy. Like some are a little bit smaller, some are a little bit longer, and they're really kind of jagged and all over the place. So I'm going to add some of these different teeth in here. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. These aren't as crazy down here. They're going to start out small, and then they're going to start getting a little bit bigger. They kind of jump to really big sizes. And then they kind of angle out down here at the very end. Now right here I want to add the tongue. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go up and then it's going to come down. And it's just going to go right in between the teeth there. Then I'm going to add another line that kind of curves. And then I'm just going to put some more teeth back here. Then I'm just going to kind of add a few more little lines around here. And then right around the teeth, I'm going to add these kind of little curved lines just to kind of show where the teeth are almost like kind of sticking out a little bit of the mouth. And then I'm going to do the same thing right down here. Then I'm just going to start adding some more details. I'm going to make kind of like a little long broken line right around here. A couple little long broken lines kind of right around the neck area. I'm going to add a little kind of curved line that just goes right around here and then another one underneath here. And then I'm going to add some kind of like extensions on these little lines. I'm just going to kind of go out and then curve them back. And this is just to kind of make it look like there's some different little plates and everything. The scales are kind of continuing down. I'm going to add just a couple little kind of broken lines right around here to show where the lip would be. Going to add some extra little lines right around here. I'm going to kind of darken this up over here. The Indoraptor has these really long kind of pointy spikes on it, so I'm going to add some of these long kind of pointy spikes back here. I'm going to make some run kind of right off the paper. Then we just want to kind of start adding some different details on here, some little kind of curved lines in different spots, little broken lines all over the place. Add some curved lines right around here. I'm going to add some little curved lines here just to kind of show where the skin of the neck is going to kind of twist and bend where there are wrinkles and stuff. Add some little lines right around the mouth here. Going to kind of add some extra little lines kind of all around here. And then some extra lines all over here just to kind of show some little scale patterns and stuff. Going to kind of do the same thing right around here. And then just add a couple little extra lines all over. And then just kind of add some broken lines kind of all over the place. Maybe some extra on these scales back here. A few more little details around the eyes. And there you go. There is your drawing of an up-close face of the Indoraptor. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.